Hey, what's up guys? Dan here and welcome to MonkeyPlays. So guys, in today's video, we're going to unbox a 2 to 3 player game published by Restoration Games and Mondo. And it's called Unmatched Hell Kitchen. So guys, if you're ready, I'm ready. So tara, game! So guys, let's unbox this game, but before anything else, let's appreciate first the artwork of the box. So, on this corner, we have here the name Unmatched, and then on the other side, we have here the logo of Marvel. Here, we can see the name of this set, or this set of Unmatched. This is Hell's Kitchen, and we have some of our characters na nandito sa mismong artwork. We have Daredevil, we have Elektra, and syempre si Bullseye. So, on this area also we can see their names. So Daredevil versus Elektra versus Bullseye. And then on this corner we have here the logo of Restoration Games and Mondo. And some of the information, like this game is played around 2 to 3 player game. You can play this game ages 14 years old and up. The game span for this is 20 to 40 minutes. And there's 76 cards inside of this game, 3 characters and 1 battlefield. On this side, we have here Unmatched Hell Kitchen, and then the logo of Marvel. Tapos si Bullseye na may hawak na pin, yung sa dark. Ayan. On this side, we have here Daredevil, then logo of Marvel, and then same information na nakita natin sa harapan. Same with this, pero ang artwork na gamit dito ay si Bullseye pa rin. Ayan. And then, on the other side, we have here the same information, pero yung artwork na nandito ay ang ating si Elektra holding a samurai. At the back, we have here a little preview about the game, the possible designs of our minis, a little preview about the characters' background, some of the possible designs of the cards and the board, the list of contents, and we have here also the logo of Restoration Games and Mondo. So, open na natin to. So, there you go. So, the first thing that we have here is the rule book. So, medyo reddish yung color niya. Ayan. So, that is Elektra. So, set aside mo natin yan. The next, we have here some dials. So, the dial for Daredevil, we have the dial for Bullseye and Elektra. So we have here some tokens, like this one. We have Fire Hydrant. There you go. This is a first aid kit. Map. I think this is a telephone. Ayan, payphone. Mailbox. And manhole. So we have here dial for Elektra. So yung dial niya. Ayan, meron siyang handprint. So the numbers. Then some of the, I don't know kung anong weapon, pero ayan. We have here the health dial for Bullseye. So yan. And then health dial for Daredevil. Next, we have here some board. There you go. Or a battlefield. Ayan. This is a double-sided board. Ayan. Set aside na natin yan. So, ito yung mga pins para sa dial. So, lagay muna natin to. Next, we have here some minis. Let's go with Daredevil muna. So, napakaganda ng minis ni Daredevil. Ayan. With the letter D. So, I hope na nakikita nyo siya. Ayan. May dalawang letter D dyan sa chest. Ayan. And then, on the lower part, we have here like a manhole. There. Ang angas. Ayan, si Daredevil. Then, we have here Bullseye. Ayan, may hawak siyang mga cards. Next, our beautiful Elektra. So, let's go first dun sa cards ni Daredevil. Back part of the card ni Daredevil. So, ito yung kanyang design. Ayan. There you go. And then, reference card for character. So, Daredevil, during combat, if you have 2 or fewer cards in your hand, you may blind boast your attack or defense. So, ayan. Ganda ng mga artwork. Ayan siya. Angas ni Daredevil. There you go. Ayan siya. See? Cool. And there you go. So, next na natin si Bullseye. There you go. So, ito yung character reference card ni Bullseye. Bullseye can attack from up to 5 spaces away. So, ignoring the zones. Ayan. So, ito na yung mga cards ni Bullseye. Nice. Uy, ang cool nito. Nice one. There you go. Ayan. And then, at the back, we can see this beautiful artwork of nung back card ni Bullseye. So, merong mata dyan sa gitna. Then, yung pinaka parang design nung sa dark. Ayan. And then, color, medyo color blue or light blue yung color nung card ni Bullseye. Ayan. And then, lastly, we have here Elektra. Pero, let's go muna sa kanyang mga sidekicks. So, ito yung mga sidekick niya. So, ito yan, mga sidekick niya. Black tokens siya na mayroong image ng mga ninjas. Ayan. 4 na piraso. And then, let's go to the cards of Elektra. There you go. So, here's the character reference card of Elektra. And dalawa yung meron siya kasi meron siyang tinatawag na Resurrected Elektra. So, dalawa yung kanyang reference card. We have the hand. Ayan, the hand din sa kabila, yung kanyang sidekick. And then, same lang yung kung ano nasa likod. Ang pinagkaiba lang, yung isa Elektra, yung isa Elektra Resurrected. And then, here's Elektra. There you go. Ang angas ng mga artwork. Ang cool. Like this one. Diba? Ang ating Elektra may hawak na samurai. There you go. And then at the back, we have this artwork or this beautiful artwork of Elektra. So, with the weapons na nakapaligid do sa mismong mata niya. So, that's it. So, ito na lahat yung mga makikita natin sa mismong game. So, lipitan natin siya. So, great! So guys, that is Unmatched Hell Kitchen. So if you like this kind of video, please give us a like and share this video with your friends and family. And also guys, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts in our FB page, Instagram account, at syempre sa aming YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. So guys, this is the end of this video. See you! And it's a wrap!